A few weeks ago, I decided to start vlogging every other day. So basically every 2 days. And then for the past week, I found myself starting to chase the woman in the red dress. If you don't know what the woman in the red dress is, basically a woman in the movie Matrix who seems very beautiful on the outside. But the thing about chasing that woman is that once you chase the woman in the red dress and you get her, you realize that she's not as pretty or as beautiful as she seems she is. She has so many flaws that you were even better off not chasing her in the first place. So I fell victim of this as I was trying to chase a different kind of content instead of focusing on the content I first set out for. So I wanted to make educational bite-sized videos, and this caused me to spend a lot of time planning on those videos and me not being able to even come up with any video. I tried to chase the woman in the red dress, and then I got caught short because at the end of the day, I wasn't even posting, I wasn't even vlogging, and I just got stuck. So focusing on the main vision and trying to stay consistent on your initial goal is very important as an entrepreneur. And this is also one lesson that I learn every single day, because be it in my projects, be it in my videos, I always seem to try to chase the woman in the red dress. There's always this new idea, there's always a better idea, there's always a better thing to do. For some reason, it always seems more appealing than your current idea or your current project. So all of this is just to say that focusing on one thing and focusing on the main goal is essential as an entrepreneur. And this is a lesson that I have to learn several times. And I'm always happy when I learn it because it always helps me redirect myself to the initial goal. And that is what I'm trying to do right now. I have a lot of updates on the platform that I've made so far, and I'm just going to show you right now. I'll do a quick screen recording so you can see it better instead of me having to fill my PC. I've updated the landing page. I've actually updated the landing page. I think it's way better than it was before. I've also added these cool navigation tricks right here where the user can come and navigate to areas on the website easily. And also the sign up and the sign in screen have been updated. The colors have been updated too. And then let me just show you the quick little animation that goes on when you log in. Yeah, and everything looks and feels very fast. So what I've been focusing on so far was the actual technical side of the application. So basically coding, designing, building everything up. But right now, I think I've already reached to a point where I can stop coding the features. Even though I already have a lot of features planned for the future updates, I think it's high time I start focusing on marketing. Because at the end of the day, this is a startup and it's also a business. So I also have to focus on the business side. Though this is my arch nemesis, and if you're a developer, you know how marketing is not really our forte, but I really have to start focusing on the marketing, trying to run more ads, trying to create more content and stuff like that. I've been watching videos of Alex Hormozi lately. If you don't know who Alex Hormozi is, just do a quick Google search. He's very popular in the business and marketing space. I've been learning a lot from him lately. And one thing I've realized is that the number one thing you need to focus on is the actual business of the business you're running. So basically, if you're in the software business, you're not in the business of marketing and advertising. You're in the business of product, because if your software product sucks, no one will want to use your product. But if you're in the business of something like gyms, and I'm quoting Alex Hormozi on this side, you're not in the business of training people. You're in the business of marketing, because the way you actually do to get your clients and the way you actually do to run your business is through marketing and advertisement, because that is basically how you do to get more clients. So I've been trying to focus more on the business in which I am in. And the business in which I am in, I've realized that it's more of marketing. So now my main focus will be marketing and advertisement. And I'll just be doing this through running ads and also through my content on other social platforms. And if anybody finds me through my YouTube videos, that's good too. I'm also having a feature roadmap for future features, which includes having a leaderboard system for the top students in the program, organizing classes in a better manner, also organizing classes way ahead of time. So this is not going to be only in the technical side, this is also going to be in the organizational side of things. I'll basically be working on this today because I have to organize things better. I really want everybody who is in the program to have the best experience so that once you get into the program, you know exactly what you have to do when you start and where you have to go when you end. So throughout, you will know exactly what to learn, how to practice, and how to submit projects. So this is something I have to do. I have to reorganize everything right now. And also the whole onboarding process has to be modified and optimized, because right now it's a little bit janky, but I have to make it better. And this is one of the best reasons why building your custom platform is good, because you can basically build features, you can mold it to how you want it to be in your mind. Though it takes a little bit of time, it's really worth it. Another feature in the roadmap, this is not really a feature, is to add more courses, because a lot of students and a lot of people follow me on other social media asking me for mobile application development course. I really haven't found the time to really build a nice course on mobile application development, but I'm thinking of doing it, so it's still on the roadmap. And also a very nice feature is the interactive community feature. So basically where students can come and ask questions, talk to each other and stuff like that. And I really want to make it special. I don't want to make it like a forum. I want to make it more like a chat. It's going to be quite complex to develop, but we're going to make it happen. And the next feature on the roadmap is adding profile sections. So basically, eventually when recruiters are going to come to hire the top students or hire the best students, or basically hire any student, they should be able to see the student's record through their profile, a little bit like LinkedIn profile. But this will be more focused on your skills as a developer. All these things on the roadmap, I hope to release them within the next 2 months, or hopefully the next month if we go fast enough. But I'll say the next 2 or 3 months, because this month will be focused mostly on marketing and advertisement. Final thing on the roadmap is creating a mobile app. And I don't know if by then I'll be able to hire more people on the team so we can build the app, but I'll definitely start it by myself in a couple of weeks or maybe next month. Building mobile apps is very exciting for me, to be honest. So yeah, so this is basically all about the features we have on the roadmap. More features are going to be added, but for now, this is all. So next, I'm probably going to eat, or I don't know what I'm going to do, but yeah. Do you like eating? Why not?
I mean, I'm trying to lose weight.
Really?
Yeah, I do like it.
Anywho.